Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building a RAG Application. Your first smart search bot with external data. Imagine asking a super smart friend a question, but they only know what they learned up to a certain date. Or they sometimes make things up. That's a bit like basic AI. We want to build a smart search bot that always has the most current, accurate information from your specific sources, like your company's documents or your personal notes. This lesson will show you how to build a bot that's not just smart, but also reliable and accurate with external data. Large language models, LLMs, like the ones powering ChatGPT, are incredibly powerful, but they have limitations. Think of them as brilliant students who've read millions of books up to a certain point in time. They don't know about recent events, your private company data, or specific niche topics unless trained on them. Plus, sometimes they hallucinate, meaning they confidently make up answers that sound plausible but are actually false. We need a way to give them a real-time reference book. This is where RAG comes in. RAG stands for Asterisk Retrieval Augmented Generation. Imagine you have a question about a very specific topic. Instead of just guessing, your super smart friend, the AI, first goes to a highly organized library. The retrieval part finds the asterisk exact books and pages relevant to your question, and then reads them to give you an accurate, well-referenced answer. The generation part, RAG connects powerful ICE to your external data, making them truly smart and reliable. The retrieval part is like setting up that organized library. First, you start with your own documents, PDFs, web pages, notes, etc. Then, we chunk these big documents into smaller, manageable pieces, like chapters or paragraphs. Each piece is converted into a special numerical code called an embedding. Think of this as giving each piece a unique fingerprint that describes its meaning. Pieces with similar meanings have similar fingerprints. These fingerprints are stored in a special vector database. When you ask a question, your question also gets a fingerprint, and the database quickly finds all the document pieces whose fingerprints are most similar to your question's fingerprint. This is how your bot finds relevant info. Once the retrieval step finds the most relevant pieces of information from your data, it's time for augmentation and generation. The retrieved pieces of information are bundled up and sent along with your original question to the large language model, LLM. This is like handing your super smart friend the relevant books before they answer. The LLM then reads both your question and the provided context. Instead of relying solely on its general knowledge, it uses the specific, accurate information you've given it to formulate a precise and helpful answer. This dramatically reduces hallucinations and ensures the answer is based on your data. For developers, RAG is incredibly powerful because it lets you improve accuracy by getting factual answers directly from your trusted sources. Stay current by updating your bot's knowledge simply by adding new documents, without retraining the entire AI. Reduce hallucinations by relying less on guesswork and more on facts. Provide explanations because the bot can often tell you where it found the information, making answers transparent. And it's cost effective. You don't need to spend millions retraining a huge AI model. You just manage your data. It's about making AI work for your specific needs with your specific data. So, how do you actually build one? First, load your data. Get your documents, PDFs, text files, web pages, into your program. Second, split and embed. Use libraries, like LangChain or LlamaIndex, to automatically break your documents into chunks and create their numerical fingerprints. Embeddings. Third, store in vector database. Save these embeddings in a specialized database, like ChromaDB or Pinecone, for fast searching. Finally, query and generate. When a user asks a question, convert the question into an embedding. Search the vector database for the most similar document chunks. Send these chunks along with the question to an LLM, like OpenAI's GPT models, and display the LLM's answer. This process turns raw data into a smart, conversational expert. You've just learned the core idea behind RAG, a fundamental technique for building truly useful AI applications. This isn't just about search. It's about creating intelligent systems that can understand, synthesize, and respond using your knowledge base. From customer service bots to research assistants, RAG opens up a world of possibilities for developers to build powerful, reliable, and context-aware AI tools. Get ready to build your own. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.